Here we come to the elevators at the Applied Engineering and Technology Building, University of Texas at San Antonio in San Antonio, Texas. These are Schindler 400A MRLs. Normally I don't film modernized elevators or modern installs, but I have not filmed Schindler 400As in a while, so I made this an exception. Let's ride, here we go. I rode these a second ago and they're pretty fast. G. As we all know, the door close does not work. Here, G. The door could have used some greasing. 3. Alright, we're gonna get the other car on this floor, but this is your cabbie right here. Very red. I love the red on the cabs and on the lights, including this button. See, look at that. The camera will focus. See? Very fitting color. Alright, let's send this down to G, and we're gonna get the other car right here that is on this floor, so I would have to wait longer. Similar to the other car. They replaced that incandescent light bulb right there, as you can see. Similar to the other elevator that I rode. These are fast for four stories. Whoa, that's not hard. These are one of the fastest elevators that I've ever ridden. I believe they travel like 350 feet per minute, I suppose. Schindler has made one of the best attractions of all times, I gotta say. That's why I filmed these. Very fast. Listen to the brakes. And we got a call, so we're gonna get off at 1 and we're gonna end the video there. This time watch the button go out. These are some very smooth elevators. I guess nobody called it. Alright, there it goes, and that's it.